Nay, Happy Mother's Day. Love you. Baro 20.
Okay. Hello, Mama. It's your special day. You know, hanggang nanong request mo, ibiya ko para kaya ka. As long as you're healthy with that, we miss you and hopefully see you here in Vegas. And come here, Han.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
Happy Mother's Day. Or we're gonna see you on Christmas.
For sure.
We will visit you there in New Jersey. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
Bye!
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Nabarso na basta andanan mo kaluguran da ka. Ang po kayo mo doon tatay, ang po rin kapatid. Basta kayo mo lagi mo kapatitin at iwasan mo rin pabisikan, okay? Ikakalugod kayo mo doon. Anong may pati-pati. At Happy Mother's Day din kay sisters, Roxanne, Rina, at Sen. I love you all, my life.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Lagi ko pumimingat yan. I love you too.
Pera, Mama.
Mahal akong pera. Yan yung pera na. Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Hi, Mother. So, Happy Mother's Day. Dakal salamat, Ma. Kaya ganaganang sakripisyo mo kaya kami. Lalo na karenga po mo. Panay mong pandi ng pera. Balo mo naman, nagyumino man din. Pero, thank you. Ikay imang balo ko na alang reklamo. Sana marakal tapang Mother's Day na abe-abe. I-celebrate. Mimingat ka palagi. Balo mo naman, kaluguran da ka. Thank you, Ma. Thank you na. Thank you kaya ganang sahop mo. At yung kami mo palagi, Kenny, maus ka mo kapag ating kang buring gawan, makanyan. Basta mimingat ko palagi kung ano ang tatay, kaluguran da kayo. Sige.
Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Ma.
Hi, Mama. Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Okay.
Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Mimingat ka palagi, Ken. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola. Stay safe po and stay healthy. Thank you po sa pag-suporta sa akin and tsaka kay Lolo po. Thank you din po. Happy Mother's Day, Lola. And Happy Mother's Day din po kay Tita Rina, Tita Roxanne, Tita Sel. Thank you din po sa pagtulong sa akin sa pag-aaral ko. And also for Tita Rose and Tita Beng, hindi dahil po sa inyo lahat, hindi po ako nag-aaral ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Happy Mother's Day po. Happy Mother's Day, Lola. Ingat ko palagi dyan. I love you, Lola.
Lola, Happy Mother's Day po. I love you po. And thank you for always making me hot dog.
Hello po, Lola. Happy Mother's Day. And stay healthy and beautiful like me. And I hope you're doing great for today, you and Lolo, and I love you so much po, and Happy Mother's Day to all my titas, Tita Sel, Tita Roxanne, and Tita Rina. Thank you po, and God bless.
Hi Lola, Happy Mother's Day. I want to thank you for all the things you've done for us and all the sacrifices and all the love and how much you take care for us, and I hope you have a good Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola. Ingat ko po palagi dyan. I love you po.
Happy Mother's Day po, Lola. I miss you all po. Sana po lagi po kayo mag-iingat dyan and happy Mother's Day din po kala Tita Sel, Tita Rina, and Tita Roxanne po.
Happy Mother's Day po, Lola. Sana po makauwi na po kayo para mabigay niyo na po yung utang niyo po at utang po ni Lolo. Miss ko na po kayo at Happy Mother's Day din po kay Tita Rina, Tita Sel at Tita Roxanne. Love you po.
Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mama.
Side kiss. Happy Mother's Day, Lola.
Happy Mother's Day po, ma. Ingat ko po lagi.
Happy Mother's Day, ma, and thank you for everything, for being my second mama, and I really appreciate it. Tara, bingo tana.
Happy Mother's Day po, tita.
Happy Mother's Day!